5,000 watt Tera amps on a single 18 Sundown U version 1 with 70 watts Yeehaw.
All right. Nice. How about alternator?
240 JS.
Okay. And you got, I was watching it earlier, it did almost like a 52 plus. Nice.
It's actually pushing 11,000 watts.
11,000 watts? What is the amp wire to? 1 ohm. How do you get 1,000 watts out of a 5K?
10,000 watts.
That's pretty crazy.
Here's the picture proof.
All right.
Nice.
Crazy how much power has changed over the years as things have just progressed. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound. Who built this box, man? It looks good. Okay. How big is it in the tuning, do you know?
It's a 44 hertz, like before.
That's what the CRV likes?
Yeah, they wanted to go up to 55. I was like, no, I don't want to be that high.
Then you can't really play 30s.
Yeah.
Man, this is low.
I seen you the other day, and it's like, what'd I do?
Nothing, just messing with you. Mark Walter.
I was gonna ask you if you tried inverting, but you can't because the motor would hit the glass then. How big is the box cubic wise?
About 8.5. A little bit too big, but
Yeah.
we're working with it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
All right, and how do you like going from your old system to sub to this? Can you tell a big
I
jump?
love it, yes.
Yeah, okay.
Way better.
Yeah. Yeah, and your power hasn't changed. I mean, you said you got more power out of it, but the amp was...
Amp is still the
Yeah,
same.
nice.
That bank is what did it all.
Yeah. You were dropping to 13s before? Or 12s?
12s.
Yeah. Going up 2 whole volts can be a couple thousand watts depending on what you're running. So.
I threw a diode in so it charges up to 15.3 instead of 14.8.
Mm-hmm. Nice.
We had
Appreciate it,
fun.
man. Yeah.
Having fun.
Oh, yeah.
Next move is 20K.
You're kidding me, dude.
That's the next move. Sound digital 20K.
You're gonna need a bigger sub.
Sound digital 20K.
Uh-huh.
Because with box rise right now, it's bouncing up to about 2.8, almost 3 volts,
Yeah.
or 3 ohms.
Yeah.
So if I run a 20K at 4 ohms, still get my 6,000 to 7,000 watts.
It'll be clean. Yeah.
It'll be clean.
Got it. And you're gonna keep the same sub.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Nice. I think this sub's rated at 2K, but I know it's underpowered, so underrated. Nice. All right. Is there a way I can see under the hood real quick?
You sure can.
What year is this?
1990.
Wow.
33-year-old nice car.
How many miles?
230,000 on the
It's not
original
bad.
motor.
It's not bad. It's still it'll go over 300K. You never know. Thanks for showing me, man.
Yeah.
You're on Team Street Kings?
Yeah, Street Kings is our car club.
Okay.
I'm trying to get with 8 Loud.
Okay.
There with Dave and them.
Yeah. What's going on, everybody? I'm JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed that full walkthrough. We got a Mark system breaking a 152 dB with a single sub in this hatchback car. Be sure to give him a like and comment what you like about his system. His previous video I put in the description when he had a single 12, and he actually went with two 12s as well. So now he's got a single 18 in his car. And if you notice the way he has this port layout, sub up, port back, definitely the most optimal for this style of system in a vehicle like this. And he actually mounted down his box so it doesn't move around in an optimal placement. So port depth helps with output, and it improves your SPL score. And notice the way he has the amplifier. I did see he said he clamped over 10K watts out of the 5,000. I don't know how real that is, but his picture showed proof of that. And a powerful lithium bank upgrade always helps with SPL score as well. So all these things are quick notes for any beginner systems trying to improve and get louder. Thank y'all for watching. This is a total of 5,000 watt amplifier rated versus 18-inch sub. We're getting to a demo now. Hit the subscribe button for daily videos if you haven't already, and enjoy.
All right. Trying to find
Yeah, you're good. Oh, you got these to go up. Is it louder with this, up or down? Up, okay.
right tones.
And when your back's against the wall, remember be strong when the band plays on. 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 When you play this shit, it should've made me weaken. Somehow I rose through the ashes, unscarred and strengthened. I put it on my father, no matter how hard this life can get. I'm gonna rock this son of a bitch, and I'm no longer taking any shit.
That's a big jump from last time.
Yes.
Yeah, and your power hasn't changed. I mean, you said you got more power out of it, but the amp was...
Amp is still the same.
Nice.
That bank is what did it all.
Yeah. You were dropping to 13s before? Or 12s?
12s.
Yeah. Going up 2 whole volts can be a couple thousand watts depending on what you're running. So
I threw a diode in so it charges up to 15.3 instead of 14.8.
Nice. Sweet. You have a good day, Mark.
You too, brother.
Thanks for showing me.